Hello, beautiful human beings of the internet. I'm Lauren Elizabeth and I'm tired, but I'm happy. What? It's true. Having a good day today. Today's Sunday and I wanted to do a little Sunday vlog for you guys because A, I'm making a bomb ass dinner tonight. You guys are gonna die. I'm making a homemade Crunchwrap Supreme because my inner Midwestern Taco Bell lover thought of it the other day and I've seen people make it on Instagram and Cam was like down. And then just wanted to take you along on how I kind of like prepare for the week. You know, I've been going through these ebbs and flows of being like really lazy and really tired, but then like also like really motivated and like wanting to get shit done. And you guys know I love getting shit done. So I wanted to just like take the day to feel good and like prepare for the week, kind of take you guys along. First thing that I wanted to do though, I was completely MIA yesterday because I listened to an amazing book. I haven't felt this way since one of the books I recommended to you guys called The Last Mrs. Parrish. And you guys can get this book on Audible and listen to it. All you have to do is go to audible.com/LaurenElizabeth or text Lauren Elizabeth to 500-500 for your 30-day free trial. And you can download this book for free. You guys, I couldn't stop. I've never loved my earpods so much. Called The Other Woman, and Reese Witherspoon, just like she has her book club. If you guys aren't like 50 years old like me, Reese Witherspoon has a book club and her November pick was The Other Woman. And I don't know why I just immediately was like, I know I'm gonna like this book. So I downloaded it, I start listening and immediately loved it. I don't know, I think it was just like fast paced, like story wise. It didn't take like too long to get into anything and it was like so detailed but so fascinating and drama just started happening immediately. The Other Woman's not who you would think. It's not as much like a murder mystery. Like yes, like there's a little bit of a murder aspect, but it's not like scary. You guys, you need to listen to this. Obviously, if you get Audible, you guys know that they have the best inventory. They have their original audiobooks with like storytellers and all that stuff that's only exclusively available on Audible. And I talk about it all the time. I'm always recommending books. You guys know this, but this one, if you haven't listened to a book I've recommended yet, please listen to this. I was upset. Cameron's never loved playing video games so much because I was like, I don't want to watch TV with you. I don't want to do anything. I need to finish this. It was so freaking good. I can't. I love it. Audible is the best because you get 30% off everything and you get one free book a month. And as much as I hate to say it, like brick and mortar stores, I can't anymore. It's why would I pay like full price for a hardcover book when the deals are just too good. So make sure you guys go to audible.com/LaurenElizabeth or just text Lauren Elizabeth to 500-500. And I think I'm gonna do a new like fall, not like fall reading list since I already did that, but maybe just like a haul going into like your winter break, kind of like books to listen to because I'm just like going through stories like that. I mean, I'm just like a wealth of knowledge. What can I say? The other thing I wanted to show you guys today is I got extensions. I'm sitting in here also because Cameron's watching football out there, but I got these extensions. I'll show you a picture of my hair dry on screen. You literally can't even see them. Like I can't even find them to show you. So I get them in the front because my hair is really broken in the front. Can you see it? That's an extension. Like literally you can't tell. So my hair is always really broken in the front. It never looks long in the front. So you can see how this is longer. We did like a little like asymmetrical thing. So my hair gets like longer in the front and then when it's in the back, it's like literally all the same length. But I'm really obsessed with it. I know I talk about DP Hue all the time, but you guys, seriously, I'm obsessed with this ACV rinse. I've never been someone who doesn't use shampoo or conditioner and I'm obsessed with it. Just two things that I was really excited about that I had to tell you about. You guys need this hair rinse. Your hair feels so clean, but so freaking soft. But I'm gonna go show you guys some skincare stuff since I already did my hair. And then I'm obsessed with this new Revlon dryer. And so I'm gonna let my hair air dry a little bit and then I'm gonna show you guys how incredible it is. Even though I hate blow drying my hair so much, but this is incredible because I don't have to straighten or curl my hair after. So there's like a lot happening these days in this household. I also today have to go over my entire like proposal and like inventory for the Feel holiday collection. I'm so excited that I'm coming out with more Feel stuff. Now that I kind of got a gauge on what you guys like and just like the whole process of designing kind of like lifestyle home decor stuff, I'm really excited to just like blow your guys' mind right before the holidays so you guys can get some good gifts for like stocking stuffers, yourself, for friends, for girlfriends, for family. And then I'm also working on drop 4 for XLE. Here's a hint. I'm so excited. Drop 2 has been amazing. So much stuff is sold out. I'm very excited for drop 3 to come out right before the holidays too. So I'm just like taking this Sunday to kind of like relax. I'm gonna do some online shopping. I'll do like a little online haul in a little bit once Cameron's done with the computer. I just saw one of you guys post on Instagram such a cute picture with these glasses. Oh my god, they go with my shirt. I should wear this as an outfit. Okay, so have you ever like touched right here and you can just like feel like the buildup and like that crease of like dirt and like blackheads and stuff? That's how I felt the other day on Friday. It's Sunday. I need to reorder this. I'm gonna reorder it online when I do some online shopping. It literally is incredible. I know I've talked about it before, but Summer Fridays is amazing. So I used this in the shower. I'm feeling soft and smooth. Like this morning I could feel a little bit of like cloggedness there. It's completely completely gone. My Glossier is almost gone. Amazing. Got some new cotton pads. And then I'm going to just put on my regular Summer Fridays. And sometimes I even put some La Mer on and then put Summer Fridays over it, just because they're like different and they're like both so good, but like totally different ingredients. This is my favorite hairbrush. I just wanted to mention it really quick. It's called FIE Heat. It's so random. I got it in like a gift package and I don't know why, but it is the most satisfying thing to brush your hair with. I don't know if it's because it's like holy and just like pointy and just like, I don't know, it's just so much different than a regular hairbrush because the bristles, it feels like the best like fingers running through your hair ever. Okay, I'm gonna do my skincare really quick. All I did was Glossier and Summer Fridays because lazy Sunday. All morning just going to the grocery store and cleaning. So I'm gonna show you what a beautiful Sunday looks like. Beautiful Sunday. Obviously this doesn't look like cleaning, but Nugget's obsessed with toys and they're everywhere all the time. Hello. Hello. He is an angel sent from heaven. I'm obsessed with him. He's gotten bigger, as you can see, but he's perfect. Okay, don't ruin your reputation. The whole apartment is spotless because I'm a freak. Hi, babe. Okay. Got fresh flowers, a basic candle for the basic bitch in your life. Hashtag blessed, vanilla, pumpkin, and yoga pants, and it smells incredible. 1 doggy, 2 doggy, 3 doggy. Classic. This is just a fully stocked, doesn't even look fully stocked, but there's a lot of new goodness. This is my favorite drawer. Just cheese. Sorry, I'm not as healthy as you think I am. And then just tons of wine. My skinny juices. A lot of you guys told me to get this instead of LaCroix on Instagram, and I did. So I'm chilling them, and I'll let you know. This is how he sleeps. For the first time in a long time, I'm going to actually write out what I want to get done this week and my schedule and just anything I can think of. Okay. This week, it's laid out, decent, ready to go. They're ready to go, but mostly me. Okay, now that I'm done organizing my schedule, the main reason I wanted to do that too is because I like don't plan my workouts in advance, and then it's like I sleep in and it's too late and like I don't know what I'm doing with my life. So my hair looks like literally horrible. And I'm just gonna show you guys how incredible this Revlon thing is. This is the Revlon thing. You can get it on Amazon. It's only like $60, which compared to my Dyson blow dryer is not a lot. And what I do is just normal sections, brush it out a little bit, and here we go. So before I finish, the great thing about this is A, you get volume, so you can see like if I go this way or this way, it'll actually like give it that little bit of oomph. It actually like holds your hair so it actually sticks in the thing, as you can see. It just like is seriously amazing. If you don't have as much thick hair as me, I think this will like even change your life even more, because for instance Liza, she literally dries her hair in like 5 minutes and looks like she has a blowout with this thing. And so I'm just obsessed with it, and I get like a little OCD with it just because I have such thick stubborn hair, but it is seriously so easy to use and amazing. Okay, I'm looking like a hot mess on top, as you can see. This, if you're not like a professional hairstylist, will change your life. I finished Feel Holiday Inspo. Also, comment down below like what that means to you, like what stuff you would want for the holidays from Feel. It is a quick turnaround, but I'd still love to see. And then I just finished all my fitting comments for drop 4. Now I'm doing some online shopping. So, I'm a psycho. Got this bra, the knot bra, pullover, another hoodie, and the jacket, and I'm very excited and happy because I work out now, so I need this stuff. But I don't buy leggings as much from them because they're way too stretchy and I don't have a butt, and also it's very expensive, therefore just wait for XLE 2019.
So let's just be precise about it. It's 20.
Are you helping?
We just did it.
Okay, my turn.
No.
Babe!
Look at this.
In the car.
It's fun, right?
For the actual killing.
So yeah, doing a little overhand.
Well, I can do that. You're so good at vlogging. Wow.
Thank you.
Babe, you could do a little lime squeeze too. I mean, come on. Oh gosh.
I'm glad this is yours and not mine.
Mine's too big.
That's a cheat. Uh-huh.
Wait, did I fold it wrong?
Making a panini?
Boop!
There you go. Oh.
I guess I put too much stuff in mine. Thought maybe I might eat two, but I guess not. Oh my god, it's actually so good, even though it's not great from the back. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Cameron's is actually really good. Oh man.
Mine's better.
I know.
Rena is just being very concerned that I might not like it and I might not happy with what I have.
If you've never watched 90 Day Fiancé, but you like reality television, stop what you're doing. I'm giving you permission to leave my YouTube channel and go watch 90 Day Fiancé. Start with before the 90 days, then go to 90 Day Fiancé. It is the best show on television. I don't know one person that's seen it that disagrees. It is incredible. I'm in bed while Cameron's watching the Lakers game. We had our crunch wraps. I have my glass of wine, watching 90 Day Fiancé. Truly the best show on television. It's people falling in love with people they've like met for 48 hours abroad, and they're like trying to get them a visa to live with them in America, and then they have 90 days to get married, and it's just incredible. Nugget is sleeping. I can't. Okay guys, I'm gonna end this vlog here. That was my cute little Sunday at home, getting my shit together, just cooking and feeling good. Honestly, I wish Sunday was every single day. It's my favorite day of the week. Sometimes I do get the Sunday scaries, which if you don't know what that is, it's just when you have like so much anxiety for the week ahead of you. But I feel like I got on top of everything today and just feel like really good about this week. I'm not gonna let my anxiety hold me back, because a lot of times I do, and I get too overwhelmed and I end up not working out because I'd rather just sit at home, and I end up not going out because like I just rather would not. But I laid out my whole week and I'm feeling good. This is how you set yourself up for a good week instead of having the Sunday scaries. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like vlogs, because honestly I was literally just in the other room and I was like, oh, I wish I could vlog every day. Like I should just keep going to tomorrow, but that would be way too long of a video. So let me know what other vlogs you want to see, especially with the holidays coming up, and I will see you guys later this week. Make sure you go to xlethelabel.com to shop before everything's sold out. Sign up for our email list so you know when the next collection's coming out, discount codes, etc. Make sure you follow me on Instagram because I story all the time, and just leave a comment of what you want to see next, and we will see you later. Love you guys. Mwah! Have a great day, week, everything. Love you. Subscribe, by the way. That would be nice.